In the darkest corners of America's criminal underworld, a secretive and immensely wealthy mafia family has emerged, shrouded in mystery and draped in opulence that defies belief. These enigmatic mobsters are living lives that make even the most outlandish Hollywood tales of excess seem pale in comparison. Strap in for a thrilling journey through their extravagant and sometimes absurd world as we delve into how the new richest secret mafia in America spends its billions. Yachts. For this mafia clan, yachts are not merely vessels but full-fledged nautical palaces. These floating Versailles, bedecked with opulent splendor, boast marble-clad bathrooms that rival royal chambers, golden chandeliers that shimmer like sunbursts, and bars stocked with rare elixirs. These extravagant yachts serve as their maritime kingdoms, hosting epic parties that would give even the legendary Gatsby a run for his money. As they glide through the sea, these vessels are the very embodiment of opulence, housing secret meetings that redefine the notion of seafaring extravagance. Cars. If you think they have a car collection, think again. What they've amassed is a veritable automotive empire. From the latest supercars with cutting-edge technology to vintage classics that exude timeless elegance, their garages are home to mechanical masterpieces. Each vehicle is an extension of their personalities, with custom paint jobs, impeccable detailing, and engines that roar with unbridled power. These cars are the embodiment of wealth and power, turning heads wherever they roam. Private jets. Flying commercial? That's for the common folk. The mafia's jet-setters own a fleet of private jets that are nothing short of flying penthouses. The interiors are adorned with plush furnishings and state-of-the-art amenities, while gourmet kitchens serve up culinary delights at 30,000 feet. As they soar through the skies, they do so with an entourage of personal staff who cater to their every whim, ensuring that their aerial journeys are nothing short of royalty. Parties. Step into the world of their parties, and you'll find yourself in a realm of excess that rivals the most extravagant soirees ever conceived. Picture ballrooms adorned with priceless art, as if transported from the Louvre, fireworks that light up the night sky in a blaze of glory, and performances by world-class entertainers whose mere presence commands audiences to gasp in awe. The food is a gourmet experience that would make even Michelin-starred chefs envious, the drinks are top-shelf elixirs to challenge the most discerning palates, and the decadence knows no bounds. These legendary affairs leave an indelible mark on the memory of anyone lucky enough to be invited. Houses. The secret mafia's real estate portfolio reads like a catalog of luxury destinations. From penthouses nestled in towering skyscrapers that scrape the heavens to secluded estates hidden away in picturesque locales, their properties are a testament to their extravagant lifestyles. Some even feature hidden underground lairs, accessible only by secret passages, designed for the most clandestine of meetings. These dwellings are fortresses of luxury and power. Jewelry, their penchant for adorning themselves, knows no bounds. Their collections of jewelry, watches, and rare artifacts are nothing short of museum-worthy. Each piece tells a story of power and prestige, and they wear these treasures as symbols of their status in the criminal hierarchy. The sparkle of their diamonds and the gleam of their gold are unmistakable markers of their opulence. But as exhilarating as this lifestyle may seem, it comes with a shadowy underbelly of danger and secrecy. In this treacherous landscape, where wealth is a magnet for law enforcement and rival factions, they navigate a world where luxury and danger coexist in a way that only the most audacious dare to experience. Their story is one of extravagant excess and chilling clandestinity, an intoxicating blend that captivates and mystifies, leaving us wondering what they'll do next to further define the limits of opulence.